This is topic 15, video C. Let's practice 1. What is the percent composition of glucose? The formula of glucose is C6H12O6.
The first step to solving this problem would be to find the molecular weight of C6. Carbon has an atomic mass of 12.01 grams based on the periodic table. To find the molecular weight, you have to multiply 6 times the atomic mass of carbon. So 6 times 12.01 grams equals 72.06 grams.
The second step would be to find the molecular weight of H12. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008 grams. Thus, the molecular weight is 12 times H, or 12 times 1.01 grams. Thus, the molecular weight of H12 is 12.12 grams.
Next, you'd have to repeat this procedure for oxygen. According to the periodic table, oxygen has an atomic mass of 16 grams. Since there are 6 atoms of oxygen in this formula, you have to multiply 6 by 16 to get 96 for the molecular weight.
Now that we have calculated the molecular weights of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, we can calculate the total molecular weight of glucose. To do this, we simply must add up the molecular weights of all 3 elements. 72.06 grams plus 12.12 grams plus 96 grams equals 180.18 grams.
So now, the next step is to find the percent composition. The formula to find the percent composition is the mass of each element over the total mass of the compound times 100.
First, we'll find the percent composition of carbon. The percent composition of carbon is the mass of the element divided by the mass of the compound times 100. We get 0.3999333 and multiply this by 100. When rounded, we get 40% for the percent composition of carbon.
Now we will calculate the percent composition of hydrogen. To do this, we will divide 12.12 grams by 180.18 grams times 100% based on the previous equation we used. After multiplying by 100% and rounding to the nearest 10th decimal place, we get 6.7%.
So now the last step is to find the percent composition of oxygen. To find the percent composition, you would do 96 grams over 180.18 grams and then multiply by 100. Doing this gives you a percent composition of oxygen of 53.3%.
Now for our final check, we'll make sure that the 3 percentages we got add up to 100%. We got 40% for carbon, 6.7% for hydrogen, and 53.3% for oxygen. These 3 numbers add up to 100%, so we're correct.